we generally associate tears with pain, agony, stress, depression, and rightfully so. But there is a different side to tears as well, and that's the tear of happiness, joy, excitement, euphoria. Abu Bakr radiallahu anhu intended migrating from Mecca to Medina, and he sallallahu alayhi wasallam said, "La ta'ajal, don't hasten, O Abu Bakr, لَعَلَّ اللَّهَ يَجْعَلُ لَكَ صَاحِبًا." Perhaps Allah will arrange for a special companion for you. In the hadith of Bukhari came that moment when he sallallahu alayhi wasallam visited Abu Bakr radiallahu anhu at a rather odd hour. And then he said to Abu Bakr, "I need to meet with you in seclusion." Abu Bakr radiallahu anhu obliged. And the Messenger sallallahu alayhi wasallam said, "Allah has consented for me to migrate." Abu Bakr was in tears. "As-sahba ya Rasulallah, O Nabi of Allah, I'm with you, and I've arranged and I have prepared 2 she-camels for our travel and our journey." Aisha radiallahu anha said, "That was the first time in my life I observed and witnessed someone tearing out of happiness. The world is full of people crying out of pain. We need to change this and make people cry out of happiness." The poet said, وَرَدَ الْكِتَابُ مِنَ الْحَبِيبِ بِأَنَّهُ سَيَزُورُنِي. I received a letter from my beloved that he will be visiting me shortly. فَاسْتَعْبَرَتْ أَجْفَانِي. And then tears just started trickling down my cheeks. غَلَبَ السُّرُورُ عَلَيَّ حَتَّى أَنَّنِي مِنْ فَرْطِ مَا قَدْ سَرَّنِي أَبْكَانِي. I was so happy, so excited that due to the intensity of my joy, I actually started tearing. يَا عَيْنُ صَارَ الدَّمْعُ عِنْدَكِ عَادَةً تَبْكِينَ مِنْ فَرَحٍ وَمِنْ أَحْزَانِ. Oh eye, what's the matter with you? At times you tear out of pain, and at times you tear out of joy. Well, my message to you, my brother and my sister, is whoever you have been the cause of tears trickling down from their eyes because of pain, because of hurting them, because of offending them, I urge you, I implore you, I beseech you, go back to that person. Be it your spouse, be it your parent, be it your brother, and convert the tears of pain into the tears of joy.